What's up, guys? Today we're just gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing two pranks. We're gonna be yelling, but it's actually a sneeze. Then we're gonna be acting like we have a seizure, like going up to people and be like, "Hey, sir." I'm okay. and then when we walk by people, we're just gonna, I'm good. And then just stuff like that. So let's get straight in the video. Oh, and like, subscribe, and I'm really funny right there recording. Like, subscribe, hit that thumb up button for him too. His video is gonna be in the description.
If you search on my channel, his video will pop up because my name's in the description.
Oh my god. We're gonna be doing the scream yelling prank first. I got this one. There's no people over there. Alright, let's go. She got so bad over there. Bro, that's the lady that was over there. She was like, I wish you would do that again. She was so mad. She was so mad. Alright, so now we're gonna be doing the seizure prank. Come on.
Bro, he's coming now. The employee's coming, wait. The employee's coming, wait.
What?
Them shoes on.
Alright, let's go. Oh, lady's coming. I'm sorry, guys, that we have to hold up. But, like, we can't get kicked out, so, like...
Because I got to come here.
Yeah, we gotta go. We go here all the time.
They rotating
They
it.
patrolling this place.
They feel like we about to do it again.
Alright, let's go.
I can zoom in.
Stop laughing.
I can zoom in, so I could just sit here while you do it. Because you're going to go right there.
You sit on the other bench right there.
Which one? Lawn?
Yeah, so you're even closer. Alright, guys. We're about to do the seizure. We're about to do the seizure prank on the guy behind us. Editor, go to him. Zoom in.
Oh, him.
Yes.
Take pictures of him.
Alright, so now I'm gonna be asking what time is it and go. And then if he says, "So you okay?" Be like, "Yeah, I'm good."
And then the prank will be
Good.
thumbnail.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
We still got to get you verified. We'll do that later.
I'm sorry, guys, that I'm not doing it right now. I just have to stop laughing, or else,
Yeah, we have to stop laughing.
it makes it down. Where go? Oh my god. Alright. Did you know what time it is?
It's a little after 7.
It's not you. So me and I'm really funny cameraman. We asked to get water. We've been here for like an hour. We asked to get water and we're all getting Gatorade and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do a take 2. Get some Dr. Pepper.
Hey, can you give me some too? That thug passion? Thanks. Why won't it focus? Let me like...
location.
We're at the booth.
Alright. So now we're gonna be going to in a few minutes we're gonna be going to Family Dollar. Dollar and doing it. Alright, let's go guys.
We're going to Dollar Tree. We're on our way to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna log into my YouTube channel on your phone. Okay. Oh. Well, we're outside. Oops, too much where we live.
Did you start it?
Yeah. This video might be your best. You wanna know why? Cause I'm your cameraman for this. I just noticed all your videos so far, I've been the cameraman. Your first video, hashtag memories, I recorded. Hey, you wanna do a social experiment while we're walking there?
What do you mean?
Ask people, like, would they rather? No. Cause your video is 6 minutes rolling, so you don't wanna tap.
Are you doing it right now?
Yeah, come on, stop it. We're at 5, 4, say peace.
What?
No, I'm gonna pause it.
Oh.